Hi everyone, Alex with Tucker USA and RHG Products here with a video on a how-to video on how to replace your existing older clamps on your pole and convert them to our newer all made in the US clamps, uh, the version 2. These are extremely strong and durable and have been getting great reviews on these. Now you notice before us that we have three clamps, and the pole we're upgrading is our Tucker Junior. Previously, it would have two clamps, and the reason you need three clamps is because we have the new number one. It will hold in place our removable Euro tip or the Acme threaded tip. And also, I don't have it here before us, but our carbon fiber extendable goosenecks. This clamp will now hold that in. So if you have a pole like this, that's old style, two clamps, you're going to need a three-piece upgrade kit. If you have, say, our Tucker 30 pole that has four clamps originally, you need the five-piece, and so on. And if you have any questions about that, on our website, we do have a conversion chart that you can look at and make sure you're ordering the right number of clamps. So on this one, I have already removed the tip that was on here. If you need to see how that's done, I have a video, and I'll probably link it somewhere around here or down below in the comments where you can see how you can remove that. If you don't have any power tools, just a little hacksaw with like a metal blade will help remove the tip. So you'll be removing, um, this is one of our other tip sections. So you'll be removing this portion of that first section, taking that tip off, so then you can put that in there. So what you'll need, like I said, if you're taking off the tip, so you can use this one or any of the other accessories, you will need a hacksaw. And then also you'll need some Allen wrenches. Uh, I had these memorized, but I think I've forgotten them, so I'll put it down in the description. I believe this is the 5/32, and this was 9/64, but I'll have the correct size in the description. So after you remove the tip, you can, if you want to make it easier, you can take these sections apart. Oh, this one's too tight. So you simply take these screws off. Now, any of our previous poles and currently, we do not glue these clamps on, just to make it easy to use if you ever had to replace these clamps. So you can see that these were never glued on. Set the old ones aside. So remember, the previous two clamps, you now have three clamps. So we can start off with our new T1, and they'll fit in that very first section that you removed the glued on Euro tip. So these will come fully assembled. You might have to loosen them up, slide it on. Simply just tighten them back up. Or you can put the section in. Just tighten it so it no longer spins. And you may also have to adjust the lever and just make it so that doesn't come off. Next we'll put on our T2. And again, this is now replacing what used to be the T1. Here, I'm just going to make it a little snug. You see it still kind of spins. I'm going to slide this first section in. So one thing you'll want to be careful of when you're installing these new clamps, you want to make sure that it's tight enough that this won't spin freely, but you don't want to over crank it, and you'll have an issue where you can't freely slide the other section in and out. And once again, you have to adjust your lever. There we go, nice and tight. And by design, these levers are designed to go over the clamp body like this. And get our last one on there. Like I said, make sure you don't over tighten this so it gets too difficult, because it kind of show you, especially if you have an electric drill, that could be very easy for you to over tighten them and it gets kind of stiff. So loosen it up a bit. And there you have it. So that has been your how-to in replacing your old style clamps to our new upgraded V2 versions. Once again, these are all made here in the state of Colorado, and very strong and durable clamps. Absolutely far superior than our previous versions, and getting great reviews. So if you have any questions regarding these clamps or anything else, certainly hit us up. Give us a call at 303-663-1779. You can message us on our website at tuckerusa.com, or you can reach out to me personally at the numbers below in the description. Thank you and have a great day.